YouTube! We got Junior in the building. Hold on, talk to him real quick. You gotta talk to him. I'm putting you on the spot, but you gotta talk to him. Where are you from? Like who are you? Instagram, all that.
I'm from Pasco, Washington.
Talk about it.
16 years old.
16? Barber? Okay, hold on. License or just like
Nah,
on the low?
On the low.
On the low, 16. Listen, check out his work at
JR.Blends 3 C's at the end.
Okay, you gotta say that. Say that one more time.
JR.BLEDZZZ.
All right, we got it. Okay, we about to give him a fade, change his life. Crop top on top, something like that?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so right now using my Oster's fast feeds with the lever fully closed, I'm going to create my ball line. Now I'm not going to go up too high, I'm just going to go up to where the C-cup starts, right? So then I'm going to drop it down in the back. Remember always to drop it when you're doing a crop top or any type of cut that involves long length on the top. It just creates for a better fade, creates a better look. It'll definitely give you that long transition look that you're going for. Now with my Babyliss skeleton trimmers, I'm going to take off the rest of the bulk on the bottom, not going all the way up to that line that I created, just going like not even a ½ inch down. So now you want it real nice and clean at the bottom. So I'm gonna grab my Babyliss shavers and just make it razor bald at the bottom. Again, not going all the way up to that line, leaving that about an inch room of space. Now with the lever open, what you want to do is go up about a ½ inch. I always like to keep that front area dark, that way my lineup is dark. So you're not going to see me go up a full, ½ an inch on that side, but I am going to gradually go up, and make that transition flow. So what you want to do is make sure you keep it consistent all the way around. So same thing with the one guard, I'm gonna go up about a ½ inch, using that same technique, not really going too far up with the one guard where I do my vertical bars at. I'm just gonna slowly kind of transition it to the back, making sure I flick out a little bit because you don't want to go all the way up to the parietal ridge. You want to leave some of that bulk up top, and that's where clipper over comb comes into play. So now doing clipper over comb, I'm gonna set my comb at a angle, and basically I'm scooping up but scooping out, making sure that I go up against that one guard and just kind of judge it by that, and then go up and clip whatever's hanging off. But I'm doing it upwards instead of, side to side. The reason why I do it this way is so I could get everything to blend. So right here, the hair wasn't laying down like I wanted, so I just took some water and kind of damped that area, trying to mist it just to get everything to lay down in place. So now putting on the one guard with the lever open, I'm basically cleaning up that area between the one and the clipper over comb, basically kind of scooping out. I'm not going straight up, I'm going with that triangle-like motion. So using my zero guard with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind that I'm using my corners throughout this whole process. I'm not really using the full length of the blade, even though it kind of looks like I am, I'm not. I'm just taking my time going in each section. This is probably this is second to the longest part of taking out, these lines. Is this the middle line and the bottom line. Now with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. The same way you did to take out that middle line is the same technique you use to take out that bottom line. Now keep in mind that I'm starting below the line and I'm flicking to the line. Now if I do need to go up, I'm adjusting my lever. So right now I'm just doing some detailing. I'm taking my zero guard, I'm using my corners, going in areas where I see bulk. What I like to do is I like to look in the mirror, or I like to rest my eyes, look at something else for a second, and just give myself another chance at looking at this blend, because you know what I mean, the blend can kind of have you confused. So give yourself a second chance by looking at something else, giving you a different viewpoint. So my client didn't really want anything off the top. So right now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna saturate my client's hair with water. I'm gonna create texture by point cutting and cross cutting. So now I'm gonna add my styling powder, and I'm just gonna rub it in, mess it up. You could go real crazy on this. You don't have to like be like super precise. I just rub it in his hair and just really mess everything up and kind of do some detail, you know, twisting later. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure y'all give my bro a follow. Otherwise, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.